Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Alam and today I am going to show you how to add flip clock screensaver on your Windows 11, Windows 10 and Mac operating system. So guys, let's learn something new today. So guys, first of all you have to open your browser, then open this website flicklo.com. Then go to right top corner and click on this three minus and just scroll down. This download button is for Mac and this download button is for Windows 11, 10 and 8.1. If you have Windows operating system, click on this download button. Once it is downloaded, open your download folder and you will see this file flickloscr.zip. Right click on it and extract this file. Once it is done, you will see this file flicklo.scr. Now right click on it and click on install. And this screensaver settings page will open. On this page, click on this drop down menu and select Flicklo, and then you can decrease time for 1 minute or 2 minutes. If you want to see preview, then click on this preview button, and after applying this screensaver, it will look like this, right? Then just click on apply and click on OK, and after 1 minute, it will appear on your desktop. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you found this video informative, don't forget to hit like, share and subscribe. See you in next video. Have a nice day.